Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Once again I am here teach to you. Now I will show you my source code to you. I already showed that's user interface in the previous class. So guys, today I will teach you how can you implement the source code of that web page. On the other hand, I already specified my specific mouse cursor, which I already implemented and show you. Okay guys, so now first of all I implemented my basic HTML tag. Secondly, I make an HTML div elements. So I place animation text. Secondly, I make div element with circle class with ID cursor. Okay guys, after that I specified an ID to it for implementing specific JavaScript functionality on it. And on the last step, I specified a specific class name to it for implementing CSS on it. Implementing a CSS class name to it is your own choice. It's up to you. You can implement CSS on it by the ID name which you already specified for it. But I specify a class name to it for implementing CSS. Okay guys, come to the next step. Now I implement CSS on this web page and on this element. Problem. Okay guys, now I implement all the CSS between these two style tags. First of all, I specify body selector for specifying body CSS in this body selector. So I specify margin property in my CSS as none and padding as none and background color it's aqua body background color. So guys, I implemented body CSS. Now I implement circle CSS. First of all, I specify circle selector, circle class selector, and I specify body position property, and then I specify this element as circle shape. So first of all, I specify its width property 100 pixel and 100 pixel is height property, and circle shape. For circle shape, I specify border radius property, I specify border color, size 2 pixel, black, so I implemented all CSS for my this web page. Okay guys, I already declared all my CSS for this web page, so now you can view this. And I already declared all CSS for my body selector, and for this div element as circle shape. Now on the next step, I will implement it and move it with my mouse cursor, and I will hide my mouse cursor as original icon. So now come on the source code guys. Okay guys, it's now it's a time to initialize JavaScript. Firstly, I implement a script tag for the declaration of JavaScript. I will initialize all JavaScript between these script tag, and you can write this JavaScript in your separate file as you wish. Now I will implement all my script here. Next time I will try to do on a separate file. Now I call the add event listener method with the document object. So first of all, I specify document add event listener, and for this method, first of all, I specify event as a parameter on this method. So mouse move mouse move, and as a second parameter I will implement function. After this, by doing it, my specific circle shape element will move based on my mouse cursor position. After initializing that event, I declare the function for the second as a second parameter. On declaring this function, I will declare a parameter. So guys, I declare E as a parameter. Now I specify a DOM object, document get by ID. By ID, I call this div elements by DOM object cursor, and I implement this reference by variable. Now I will okay guys, now I declare a variable left and top. For initializing my mouse cursor position vertically and horizontally, or on other mean x-axis and y-axis. So guys, come on, var left offset x. Now I declare e parameter with this offset x. It will initialize your mouse cursor position as horizontally, and now I initialize vertical position, mouse cursor position horizontally, vertically. I already initialize horizontally position and vertical position my mouse cursor. So guys, now this top variable will store your mouse cursor vertical position, and this variable left variable will store your mouse cursor position horizontally, and this will send your mouse position to e parameter, and e parameter function will recognize it and execute it, and element will move with your mouse cursor position. So guys, come on, after this I implement CSS for this div element. So now I already give a reference to it element. So I cursor style, I implement all CSS to it, style to left, now I implement top position. Now guys, okay, it's CSS, your CSS completed, and now I try to check it. And X. Okay guys, now try to check it. So guys, come on GUI. Okay guys, now it move with my mouse cursor. Now I implement it as my mouse cursor, and I will set its position accurately. Okay guys, now come on, source code. Okay guys, now come on, I try to fix it this circle shape element with my mouse cursor accurately, horizontally and vertically. I will try to do this. Now first of all, I change this var keyword, replace with let keyword, and due to this, this will not redeclare, and this will reinitialize with mouse cursor position. This will reinitialize its value with the mouse cursor position horizontally and vertically. So guys, secondly, I change this predefined variable with page X and page Y. So guys, on third time I decrease 15 pixel with the mouse cursor position, and so now it I set it accurately with my mouse cursor position. So now come on, I try to check it. Okay guys, now I check it. So it accurately move it with my mouse cursor position. So now I hide my mouse icon. So come on guys, on the source code. I mainly specify pointer none. So now guys, pointer none. Okay guys, now my mouse cursor pointer now hide this. Now it's a circle shape element. This circle shape element show you and will move with my mouse position. So guys, next time I will change it. I will implement a database with it, and I will do much more. So guys, I did my best. Now it's your turn to do your best. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video.